Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato chutney. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this simple recipe. Making your own chutney is incredibly rewarding, and it's much easier than you might think. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a flavorful condiment that will impress everyone. Get ready to transform fresh tomatoes into a delightful, tangy, and sweet spread perfect for any meal. To begin, you'll need 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes, diced into small pieces. Next, measure out 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of granulated sugar. These are crucial for the chutney's signature sweet and tangy flavor. Don't forget a small onion, finely chopped, a few cloves of minced garlic, and about 1 inch of grated fresh ginger. A pinch of salt and a dash of red pepper flakes will complete our flavor profile. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this easy guide to making tomato chutney, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great recipes. On another note, if you love reading while you cook or just relaxing, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even by the pool. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get cooking. Combine all your prepared ingredients into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Give everything a good stir to ensure it's well mixed. Place the pot over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook for approximately 1 hour, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking, until the chutney thickens to a lovely consistency. You'll know your chutney is ready when it has a thick, jam-like consistency and holds its shape on a spoon. Carefully ladle the hot chutney into sterilized jars, leaving about ½ inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean, then seal the jars tightly with lids and bands. For long-term storage, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This ensures your delicious chutney stays fresh for months.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.